Hey, meet my host, my awesome host for the night, and it was
Hello.
wonderful stay. From where? Macedonia.
You still don't know.
Yeah, I know. And what was your dream today? So it's 7 a.m. and I'm leaving Tallinn. This is my dormitory right behind, you can see. And let's see, first ride in Europe, how is it to go? I'm super excited about it. I'm going to Parnu. Tallinn Parnu road, but I'm confused if I can bike on this road or not, because it's a highway with speed limit of 110 and it's quite scary. I think I have found the road for biking. Not very sure though. All I have to do is to follow this highway. Oh. Which way do I need to go? This or that? That way? All right, thank you. Roads like this, they just demotivate me. I mean, look at this road. Oh, it's clean, it's beautiful, but look, it's straight. Straight as hell. There's nothing, no curves, no turns. It says you can't drag this gas station with you. This one, like, otherwise it's legal. You can't drag this gas station with you. About 60 kilometers I took a break for lunch. There's still 70 kilometers to go, and it's harder than I expected. So I got a problem. Seems like it's solved. Why do I do this? I mean, it's not an easy job cycle for 150 kilometers per day. To be honest, I don't know. I really don't know. Why do I do this? Maybe someday I will know. Hi. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you.
We can put it in the house.
Okay. There. Okay, sure.
I guess.
All right. Finally.
Yeah.
It's such a long drive, straight road. So boring.
But at least the weather is nice.
Yeah, at least.
Was it everything alright?
Yeah, everything was fine.
I prepared this bed for you. I hope you're not gonna be cold.
No, it's perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah.